sometimes you should not listen to my advice. This was kind of a recall video. Now, in a previous video, I explained to you that this little Triton drill, the T12 TP drill driver, with its removable chuck, and it comes in a pack of 2 with a impact driver as well, 12 volt, and that's a great little thing it is. And it has the 18650 cells in the little battery packs. Yeah, it's great. All right, apart from a bit pricey. So, I found out that you could actually install these things. And these are LIDL's Parkside batteries, which you can get for 15 quid. You know, as cheap as chips. Unfortunately, that you have to remove these little ribs. One there and one there. Now, okay, fine. And then it slides in to your drill. And it works a treat, okay? Now, this one has an extra charge circuit that don't line up with the original battery driver. It just won't charge it. Now, the thing is, you see, you have to get the LIDL's charger, fine, okay, which I happen to have here. But, here comes the but, right? The but is, I've removed the 2 ribs on there, all right? Now, I'm going to put you on the overhead camera and explain to you what happened. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, I'm an idiot. Anyway, we have this battery here, okay? And because I've removed these 2 ribs, they're supposed to line up these 2 little slots in the charger unit. So as you place it into there like so, okay, you're always facing forwards. I knew this, okay, but unfortunately it's quite easy when you're in a bit of a hurry to twist it round the wrong way in a multitude of positions, hence reversing the polarity and killing the charger and tripping your electric out because there was a big spark. Yes, that's what happened, exactly. And all the lights went out and everything turned off on that circuit. Luckily, my electrics do work. So, there's my charger, okay? It hasn't damaged the my charger, my meter here. I've checked the batteries and also obviously they work in the drills anyway, so they're not a problem. The battery's absolutely fine, all right? So, the thing is, though, the charger is not. Now, I took the little bungy feet off the bottom. I've removed the screws so I can remove the back panel. And what do I find? I find black stuff. That's a telltale sign that something's burnt out. I don't know if it's the MOSFET, something close to the actual mains voltage coming in has been cooked. Yeah, it's not very helpful, is it? So I reckon what's actually happened is, as the battery it's gone in the wrong way round, instead of it being this way round, so the T connects and also the positive, that's the charge, and that, yeah, like so. But this side here, nothing on that one. So there's only these 2 contacts. That's right, isn't it? What's that? That's a bar there. What's that little bar? No, these 2 contacts go on there like so. To charge the battery. Not on the neutral here. But obviously, if you've got the wrong way around, you're putting the wrong charge in. Oh, anyway, it cooked it. It died. Alright, so I'm going to have a close look at this, a bit more inspection. Might make a video about it if I decide to actually repair it. See what's actually burnt. I can see here that there's some charring. I think some of the copper from the actual PCB board has burnt away. But most likely it's cooked one of these, either the resistors or the thermistor. What isn't it? What's that? Let's have a look. We've got the MOSFET there. Diodes. Yeah, you'd think that possibly, well, I'd have thought there'd been reverse polarity protection on it, but obviously not. Blimey. So, the thing is, you see, you can buy this charger with another battery for €20, so is it worth messing about with? It seems a bit crazy, doesn't it? There's no obvious wired-in fuses, unless one of those are. Either way, it's not working. Nope, I killed it. Focus, 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 focus. Why isn't that focusing? Why isn't that focusing? It should focus. Alright, let me just saying, is it focusing? Or should I just zoom it in? Yep, anyway. That's dead. I've got to decide on whether or not I'm going to fix it. So, yes. The moral of the story is... although it seems like a good idea to trim these off so you can actually place it into the drill. Alright? On the other hand, it ain't such a good idea because you can place it in the charger the wrong way around. Even though I knew that I wasn't supposed to, I wasn't obviously concentrating what I was doing. So unless I can find another way, so it only goes in one way, which you could do. You could. There's no contact on the back there. There isn't there. Which one hasn't got a contact? So you want the side that hasn't got a contact. What you could actually do, you could actually glue a little piece of plastic in there that lines up with the side without a contact, so it can only go in one way, and then you're never going to get in the wrong way because you won't. Oh, hang on, yes you will. Oh no, it ain't gonna work either. How would you do it? How would you do it? Needs to be something that wouldn't interfere with the drill. Pocker. Anyway, toodaloo, you got any ideas? Leave it in the comments down below. Don't mess about electrics. Is that what it is? No? Yeah. Low voltage, high amperage. Causes fires, you know. Oh, it's no battery.